Thanks for viewing our Digital Prospectus for 2025. To help you get the most from our Digital Prospectus, we've created this short tutorial. If you're viewing on desktop, you'll see the toolbar at the top of the screen, and if you're viewing on a mobile device, you'll see the toolbar by clicking on the bottom of your screen. The first icon on the toolbar with the 4 squares will take you to view all our digital publications. The second icon that looks like a document allows you to view the digital prospectus in an accessible format where you can change the font size to your preference, a drop-down list of sections within the prospectus, and links to share pages of the prospectus via email and social media channels. The next icon on the toolbar will enable you to view the prospectus in full screen mode. This is only available on desktop. Also only seen on desktop are the magnifying glass icons, which allow you to zoom in and zoom out of each page. The arrow icons when viewing on a desktop will take you forwards and backwards through the digital publication. The icon on both desktop and mobile device, which look like a book, will allow you to change the view of the digital prospectus either as a single or double page. The icon after the book will zoom into the center of the page. The icon which contains 3 rectangles allows you to quickly scroll through the prospectus pages. The icon which looks like it has 3 bullet points is a drop-down list, and here you can select which section of the prospectus you're looking for. If there's something in particular you're searching for, this is a really quick and easy way to find it without having to flick through all the pages. Following this is an option to share different pages of the prospectus. You can share the first page or the current page by email, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. The next icon showing the PDF allows you to download the prospectus in full, select pages, or download the bookmarks you have created. The star icon allows you to bookmark pages of interest to you. The notepad icon allows you to add type notes to the specific page you're viewing. The pen and paper icon allows you to write notes using a pen. Through the settings icon, you're able to turn off animated page transitions. And lastly, the search bar icon allows you to search specific keywords within the prospectus. For example, if you wanted to find specific information about our accommodation or Allied Health, you could search for this and it will pull up all the results that mention Allied Health. We hope this guide has been useful to you.